What's up, guys? Welcome to the kitchen. Excuse background noise, it's totally out of my control. But I have my headphones in today so I can be able to maneuver around the kitchen, also to record. Today we will be making my honey garlic salmon dish. I already have majority of ingredients laid out, and all of the benefits and ingredients will be down in the description box below. And also make sure you subscribe while you're there. So first and foremost, cooking salmon is not difficult at all. It's all about how you make it. I'm sorry, just waving around this whisk. Voila. All right, so first you're going to pour your butter into a bowl. And now I'm gonna let you guys know that this is not a chopped kitchen. So I measure to my liking per serving. So I just go with the flour. And this is minced garlic here. And this is called a mincer. And we're just gonna squeeze that together in there. See. Also, go ahead and preheat your oven to 450 because we're gonna have to put the salmon in the oven for just a few minutes, all right? So while you're cooking, go ahead and be preheating. All right, so we're just gonna add our garlic, minced garlic here in the butter.
Did you wash your hands? With
Yes, I've washed my hands. All right, so we have our melted butter there in a bowl, our minced garlic. Next, for our mixture, we're gonna add our honey. Last but not least, now I can use my whisk. So let's get together. And you'll have a beautiful golden mixture there. Now, I'm just gonna show you guys how to make the mixture. I have a lot of salmon here. So, first, we are going to get our butter here and show you guys the butter. I'm gonna whisk it around there. Make sure your oven is not too hot because we're about to put the salmon in there, okay? So now, we're gonna add our salmon in here. We wanna put it skin down. Alright. We just simply get pink Himalayan salt. I don't use regular salt. So for my people who have high blood pressure, this would be a good substitute for that. And it's very fine, so try not to use too much, okay? Next, we're going to apply the black pepper. And as you can see, I had lemon slices over here. So now I'm just going to add a few of my lemon slices in here. For the lemon flavor. And last but not least, we add our mixture. Now I'm gonna mix some more in here. The second batch of butter that I have, I'm gonna use to mix in here. when I flip my salmon over, okay? So now, get your lid, and we wait for that. Start to see the golden brown at the bottom of your skin on your salmon. You flip it over to the other side, and you just let it simmer over. And let it cook for a few minutes. And back over on the other side, and have a pan beside you with aluminum foil to your side, so we can transfer our salmon over into the oven, and make sure your oven is heated to 450. So if you don't have any bread at home or any garlic bread, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own homemade garlic bread. So I have my melted butter here, garlic powder, sorry, some garlic powder in here. I'm just going to mix it together with this brush. And then we'll get our brush here. Just drizzle it on here. Don't be scared.
I think you have more than a little bit to do with it, Senator. My final question. So if you had a vote, you'd say nuke the whole filibuster right now.
I like a lot of butter. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Alright, next to my leaves, I'll add some cheese. And you can use any cheese of your choice, mozzarella, Asiago, Parmesan, Romano, and last but not least, sharp cheddar. I like my bread cheesy. Alright, so your oven should still be on from removing the salmon out of the oven. And we're gonna place our toast in the oven for just a few minutes.